So I connect the charger, and the light is blinking when it should stay solid. Press the power button. Pressed. It will not turn on. And if I use the amp meter, see that it keeps rebooting. Which is when the light comes on. And if I put the battery in, and just stays like that. If I disconnect this, and the light is still on, which doesn't make sense. Try another port. No, something's not right. Another weird thing I'll show you. I'm gonna power on the unit. I need to press harder. That's running off the battery. We see that. That's running on 10 watts. And then we get the warning, name not set. Oh, it's going off. Yeah, product name is invalid, which I understand. It's a new motherboard maybe. And then now it's not pulling anything anymore. Here we don't see any amp being taken. If I disconnect that, connect this directly, the light is still on, but I haven't got anything connected. And Windows says it's connected. 6%. Charging, but actually it is not. A percentage is going down, 6%. That's the motherboard I got off here.